Hello crochet friends and welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear body. We are on round 7. That's where we're going to get started today. We currently have 36 stitches on our work from the last time, so we're going to get going. It's going to be a little bit different today. Last time we ended with 4 single crochet. Today we're going to do 11. So we're only repeating 3 times our repeat section. So we'll have 11 single crochets and then an increase. We'll have 39 stitches by the time we're done, so we're going to enter our first stitch. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1. Next stitch, single crochet 2. Next stitch, single crochet 3. So we need 11. Here's 4 and 5. Doing okay. 6, 7, 8. It's quite a few. 9, 10. All right, we're just about there. And 11. And then we do our increase, okay? So I'll get a little something, something. There we go. All right. That's 11 for me. Let's do our increase. So front loop only, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Whole stitch of the same stitch, another single crochet, just like we've been doing. And then we're going to repeat that again. We're going to do 11 single crochets and an increase. So, like I said, not as many increases this time, right? So go all the way around with this and we'll meet at the marker. Here we go. Okay, this is number 11 of my single crochets, and then I have my increase right here. So my front loop increase and then whole stitch increase. Okay, and that was round 7. So we're going to move up our marker. That one doesn't look correct to me. Let me try that one more time. Didn't look like I was in the stitch properly. Here we go. All right, move up your marker. This is 8, and for 8 we want to do 12 single crochets and an increase, okay? So we're gonna go along with 12 single increases, 12 single crochets, 1 increase, and we'll have 42 stitches by the time we are done here. We're only repeating 3 times again. We're gonna do that 3 times thing. Not like we were doing before. So 4 and 5, 6. This takes a little more counting, right? 7, 8, 9. All right, we're getting there. 10, 11. And these are all single crochets, just like we've been doing. And 12. Okay, so there's my 12. Then I'm going to do an increase. So front loop, single crochet, and then whole stitch, single crochet, and I'm going to repeat again. 12 single crochets and an increase. So we're going to do that 2 more times here, and that'll get us to our marker, okay? Here we go. Okay, this is 12. And then this is my increase. All right, that's the end of round 8. We have 42 stitches on our work. Now 9 through 12 are up next. They are all the same. They are the bulk section of the body. So we're going to single crochet each stitch around. So I'm going to set you free with this. As always, we just need to keep track of our rounds so that we're doing the right number of them. We need 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 42 stitches on our work, so we need 42 stitches for each round. And they are just going to be all single crochet. So this is a great opportunity to just sit and relax with your crochet, going around, getting your stitches nice and neat. So this is what I call the bulk section. And so it builds up a good bit of your work. It does take a little time. That is the thing about the bulk sections. It usually is quite a few rows or rounds when we're doing them, right? But that's okay. That's okay. That's what we're here to do. We're here to crochet. So I'm going to set you free with this. We will go through round 12 so that when we meet up next time, we will start with 13. Okay, and we will have all these single crochets all done. So don't feel like you have to rush and hurry here. Just take your time with this today and finish up your single crochets, and then when we come back we'll start decreasing. So we will start working the other side of the body, right, going back and making it close up. Okay, so keep going with these single crochets and just keep track of your rounds. That's all. I always do stress that. Make sure you move up your marker, keep track of your rounds. Nobody wants to do more than they have to do, right? Or not enough, and then your project look all funky, okay? All right, so I'll see you next time. We'll get going on round 13. I'll see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.